so I'm making bacon, egg, and cheese bagels. They're plump and chewy and loaded with greasy sambal bacon and cream cheesy eggs. Okay, to start, I'm gonna make bacon. I'm baking it because I find it really easy and you get an even crisp all over. Before I get it in the oven, I'll brush both sides with sambal. I'll get this in the oven at 375 degrees for 25 to 35 minutes while I beat up my eggs. I'm gonna start with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And this is because sometimes when you bake eggs, some moisture leaches out of them. A little bit of flour goes a long way in holding that moisture all together. I'll gradually whisk in some whole milk, just ensuring that the flour gets incorporated smoothly. Okay. And 10 eggs, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, and black pepper. I'll whisk this together, making sure to break up all those yolks. All right, that's good. I've got 2 8-inch square pans here that I've brushed with butter. And this is so that I can get perfect squares of eggs. So full disclosure, every time I order a breakfast sandwich at a bagel place, I get major FOMO that I'm not also getting a scallion cream cheese bagel, but I'm gonna scatter cream cheese over the egg and get cream cheese and egg in one sandwich. You really can have it all. Oh, it's gonna be so good. And lastly, a few sliced scallions for greenery. And now these are ready for the oven. They'll bake at 375, just like the bacon. How convenient. For 20 to 25 minutes until set. And in that time, I'll get the bagels. I'm using my go-to bagel recipe. It's just high gluten flour, yeast, salt, brown sugar, water, and barley malt. Then I proof, shape, and boil so they're chewy. Sprinkle with sesame seeds for fun, and bake until golden. Nothing beats a fresh bagel, hot out of the oven. You could use a store-bought bagel, but I'm going all the way. All right, I'm gonna check on the eggs and bacon now. That bacon is looking crisp and the egg is perfectly done. I don't see any brown splotches, which is good. It's how I know it didn't dry out. I'll get the bacon onto some paper towel. I want it to be greasy, but not too greasy. I'll finish the egg with a pinch of flaky salt. The extra hit of salt on top is so good. Assembly time, it's getting real. I'm starting with a piece of foil because my #1 rule of breakfast sandwich making is that you've gotta finish it up by wrapping everything up so that the layers can steam and meld together. I'll slice a bagel in half and start with a layer of American cheese, a square of egg. Look how nicely it sits on top. Another layer of cheese, some bacon. Hello. The top, give it a smash, and wrap it on up. Okay, I'll let this do its magic while I get the final touch. The ketchup, the real MVP. Ready for this? Mm-hmm. Whoa, get a load of those layers.